Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is April 8, 2026. Our AI model found 7 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. INTU Intuit Incorporated Technology Sector. Software Application. Compound Planning, a New York-based self-styled digital family office recently hit $5 billion in client assets, has made 4 senior leadership hires including a new head of wealth management from Focus Wealth Partners, with Sheila Ryan coordinating functions across advisory, client service, operations, and marketing. The firm announced alongside the new hires that it had grown its assets by 75% since January 2025, attributing the jump to combination of inorganic additions and organic growth, including adding 24 advisors and 700 new clients in that period. Paragon Wealth Management, a San Francisco-based wealth manager with more than $11. Here are the key growth metrics for INTU: sales growth trailing 12 months, 17.2%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 14.5%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 48.4%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 77.7%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 51.0%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 72.80 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, INTU article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 72.80 out of 100, metric rating, buy. Guardant Health Incorporated, a precision oncology company. Healthcare sector. Diagnostics and research. OS Therapies Inc. NYSE American, OSTX, announced that Craig Eagle, MD, was appointed to Guardant Health's newly formed Strategic Advisory Board to assist with osteosarcoma regulatory advice and oncology pipeline prioritization. The world leader in gene-edited, listeria-based cancer immunotherapies currently has clinical stage pipeline assets in breast cancer, colorectal cancer, non-small cell lung cancer, prostate cancer, HPV-related cancers, as well as several other indications. Eagle currently serves as Guardant Health's Chief Medical Officer, previously served as Vice President of Medical Affairs Oncology for Genentech, and held several leadership roles at Pfizer, including Oncologist Business Lead for United Kingdom and Canada and Global Lead for Oncologist Strategic Alliances and Partnerships. Here are the key growth metrics for sales growth trailing 12 months, 32.9%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 65.6%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 37.5%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 64.5%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 21.9%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 81.20 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 81.20 out of 100, metric rating, buy. Barrick Mining Corporation. Basic Materials Sector. Gold. Barrick Mining Corporation, BABX, welcomed the decision by the Ontario Court of Appeal dismissing an appeal by certain Tanzanian residents alleging human rights abuses by members of the Tanzania police force in the vicinity of the North Mara gold mine. The decision upheld an earlier ruling of the Superior Court of Ontario which found that Ontario is not the appropriate forum to consider these claims and that they must be adjudicated in Tanzania. Evidence filed during the case established that the Tanzania police force acts independently of Barrick, which maintains a zero-tolerance policy for human rights violations by employees, contractors, or any third parties acting on its behalf. Here are the key growth metrics for sales growth trailing 12 months, 30.5%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 23.6%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 31.8%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 48.2%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 19.8%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 70.80 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, the article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 70.80 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are 4 more buy-rated stocks today that you can view at BuyTheDip.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.